Yes, now we will move for fourth model, that is welding process. Welding is defined as the joining of two materials, similar or dissimilar materials, by the application of heat, with or without the application of pressure, and with or without the use of filler material. So the welding can be broadly classified into two categories. Those are: one, plastic welding process, and second one, fusion welding process. In the plastic welding process, the two edges to be joined are heated a plastic state plastic state, and their force or pressure is applied to obtain a strong joint. Second one, fusion welding process. In the fusion welding process, the two edges to be joined are heated to a molten state, and here a molten pool is formed and a filler material is also used. So the filler material is made up of the same composition as that of the base metal or weld metal, and so the molten metal flows from one point to another point. After cooling, it solidifies to obtain a strong joint. Advantages of welding: any metal alloy can be welded. Any metal or alloy can be welded. Any shape of the component can be generated. Strength of the joint will be same as that of base metal. Disadvantages: harmful radiations and fumes may be generated. Residual stresses may be set up in the weld joint. Skilled operators are required. Structure of the weld portions will slightly differ from the base metal. Application of welding. Welding is extensively used in fabrication industries, fabrication of aircraft, automobile components, bridges, building structures, ships, and pressure vessels, boiler pipes, etc. So, classification of welding. Welding are again subclassified, of course. So, this figure or this uh, what you call block diagram will give you detailed classification of the welding. So, classification of welding. Welding is broadly classified into fusion welding and pressure welding. In the pressure welding, again it is subclassified as forge welding, gas pressure welding, resistance welding. Again it is spot welding, seam welding, butt welding process. Fusion welding process: gas welding, arc welding, thermite welding. Gas welding, manual, automatic. Arc welded, shield welded, flux shielded welding. Gas welding. So, gas welding is again classified into two categories. Those are air acetylene welding, oxyacetylene welding. Of course, oxyhydrogen welding is also there. Arc welding process: carbon arc welding process, flux coated arc welding process, tungsten inert gas welding process, plasma arc welding, stud arc welding, resistance welding process, spot welding, flash welding process, resistance butt welding process, solid state welding, cold welding, friction welding, diffusion welding, hot pressure welding, thermochemical welding, thermite welding, radiant energy welding, electron beam welding, using consumable electrodes, metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, commonly welded metals. Metals are that are welded on a regular basis are classified into again two categories: laser beam welding, atomic welding, gas shielded metal arc welding, plasma welding, of course, ferrous metals and non ferrous metals. So, in the ferrous metals, wrought iron, carbon steel, cast steel, stainless steel, and in non ferrous metals, aluminum alloys and copper alloys are commonly welded. Arc welding process. It is a fusion welding process. Here, an electric arc is generated. An electric arc is generated. So, as a heat source, the electric arc is continuous stream of electron flowing between two electrodes into a medium. This gives rise to intense heat generation. This is used to melt the surface, and of course, so filler material is also used, and deposit the metal from the electrode. Deposit the metal from the electrode resulting in a joint on cooling.